Hey everyone, I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of how to set up the mask, pouch, and lanyard that are in the Nomatic all-day armor line. Starting with the mask, each mask comes with 2 masks in one unit. So I'm gonna remove one of these. Once you got it removed, the first step is to adjust the ear loops to be comfortable around your ears. The way you do that, you stick it on. You don't want too much tension around your ears, so get it comfortable. If it's too tight, put your hand on this fastener right here and you can pinch it and the string can go in and out. Make it tighter or looser depending on what you want. Do that to both sides. Once you got that configured, then you're gonna take this excess string, and if you look, there's a little slit inside of the material right by that plastic piece of hardware. You're going to push that in to that slit and work its way into the bottom of the mask so that you don't have the little strings dangling down from your mask. These are designed to tuck away like that there, so that in the end you have a clean mask without dangling strings on that side. So as you can see, this side is clean and tucked away, and this side has this dangling piece. You can get rid of this by tucking it into that little hole. Once you have that set up, now get the lanyard out. All right, now with the lanyard, what you can do is you can attach each of these little lobster claw hooks onto the ear loops. They just attach on easily, like that. Now, put it over your head, strap it on your ears, and then you're set. When you want to take it off, just peel this off. Lets it sit there, and now you can always have your mask on. You don't have to stick it in your pocket. It can stay clean and safe and with you at all times. The pouch comes with these 3 little felt pads. These are used to help you infuse good scent or smells into your mask when you put it in the pouch. So what you do is you want to take an essential oil or some scent that you really like, put it onto this felt pad. Then with the pouch, I think it's easiest if you take it and turn it inside out. On the inside, you'll see this little mesh pocket. Take the felt pad that now has scent on it, open up that pocket, and then as you get it in there, then use the other piece of mesh to cover it so that it's completely enclosed inside of the mesh. Now flip it back right side out. Once the felt pad has been scented and stuck in the pouch, you can now take your mask, fold it up, and stick it in the pouch. And next time you pull it out, it will smell fresh and clean. So that's the Nomatic all-day armor mask line, designed to keep your mask clean, smelling fresh, and always right where you need it. Thanks so much for trying this product out, guys. We know you're gonna love it.